Hello my friends, and welcome to this quick standing upper body stretch. If you're feeling kind of stiff and tight in your neck and your shoulders, maybe your upper back, this is going to be a great one for you. Maybe after a long day of working at your computer, or maybe you're driving, or even after a good upper body day at the gym. You won't need anything for this particular session. We're just going to be standing, so you don't need to get down on the ground. When you're ready, meet me in a comfortable standing position, bringing your feet a little bit wider than hips distance to give yourself a good base. Take a big inhale and squeeze your shoulders up towards your ears. And as you exhale, slowly draw them down and back. A couple more like this, going nice and slow. And one more to really squeeze your shoulders up. And then as you exhale, allow them to fully relax and release, sliding down your back. Let's now move the gaze over to the right, and then over to the left, and then up and down. Just stretching out through the neck, reminding the neck that it can move in all different directions. Finding one more in this way. And the next time you're gazing down towards the ground, let's go ahead and switch and go the other way. So we're going to start gazing down and then gaze up. And then over to the left. And then over to the right. Finding one more. Coming to stand in a neutral position. Crown of the head reaches up. Bring one arm across your body. Let's start with the right arm, finding a nice shoulder stretch. Gently bringing that right arm towards you here to deepen the stretch, making sure to keep length through your neck. Don't allow your right shoulder to creep up towards your ears. Full deep breath in and out. And on your next breath, let's find a tricep stretch for that right arm. So the right arm is going to reach up and then bend, right fingertips traveling down your back. Using your left hand on your right elbow here just to deepen the stretch. One more breath in. And as you exhale, release your right arm. Give it a little shake. We'll switch over and do the other side. So the left arm comes across. Gently pull the left arm in towards your body to feel a nice stretch through your left shoulder. And from here, let's find the tricep stretch. So the left arm is going to reach up and then left fingertips travel down your back. Standing up tall, opening the chest. One more breath in. And as you exhale, release, give your arms a little shake out. We're almost done. Go ahead and interlace your fingers, press your palms up toward the sky. Here we're feeling a really nice stretch through the forearms, the wrists, and the fingers. We're going to make this dynamic. So as you inhale, press your palms up, 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 up. And as you exhale, press your palms forward, round your upper back, gaze down towards the ground. So inhale, we press and we reach, trying to make the body as long as we can. And as you exhale, you round the upper back, spread your shoulder blades, press your palms forward. Finding one more reach. Release the interlace of your fingertips this time and really just stretch through your fingers, making your body as long as you can. And then release your arms, give them a little shake out. Our final stretch is a chest opener stretch. So either you can place your hands on your low back here and just feel a stretch through your chest and your shoulders. Or if it's within reach, you can interlace your fingertips behind you and draw your knuckles down towards the ground. You're going to feel a real opening through the front line of your body. Continue to breathe here. Maybe you want to give yourself a little sway from side to side if that feels good. One more full deep breath in. And as you exhale, release. We'll end with one full body stretch. Inhale to reach your fingertips up. Exhale, cactus your arms out to the sides, driving your elbows down towards the ground. And we are done. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you again soon. Bye.